Hi all, I'm Caroline and I'm a software engineer at Figma, and today I'm going to talk about an MCP flow that I've been working on to help you visualize and understand your code base. I started working on this because I kept running into the same issue. I'd use AI to deeply understand a new part of a code base, and then I'd spend way too much time translating that into something concise, visual, and easy for my team to quickly grasp. We're not really blocked on writing code anymore. AI can generate implementations faster than we can even review them. The bottleneck has shifted from building to understanding. We end up with chat threads, partial branches, and half-finished docs, but none of that is something you can hand to a teammate and say, here's the system and how it works. And rarely are these artifacts kept up to date. I can point an agent at a repo and quickly build a solid understanding of how everything works. But when I come up for air and I want to share that knowledge, document it, or turn it into a design doc for a new project, it takes way too long to convert that understanding into something my team can actually use and comment on. You can understand a system by reading the code, it just takes forever. AI helps by summarizing everything. But now you've just replaced reading code with reading pages of markdown. So the question I kept coming back to was, why am I reading so much to understand something that should really just be one picture? And the answer was pretty simple. The generated diagrams weren't good enough. They either weren't complex enough to capture the system, or the layout didn't match the flow I actually cared about. The problem isn't that we don't have diagramming tools. Mermaid, ASCII diagrams, they're great for flows, sequences, ERD diagrams, but architecture diagrams are different. They need clear flow direction, strong visual hierarchy, meaningful grouping, and they're not simple graphs. They have feedback loops, async retries, bidirectional calls. That's not what these tools were built for. So you end up with diagrams that are technically correct, but structurally unreadable. So I thought, okay, I'll just build this. Figma already has a generate diagram tool. Add some guidelines on what should and should not be included in architecture diagrams. Done. I genuinely thought that it would take a week, and it did not. There were a few core problems. First, there's no universal layout convention. Every team draws architecture diagrams differently. Second, models don't seem to have a clear definition of what an architecture diagram even is. Because of this, AI does things like mix up modules and services and misroute edges. And third, generic layout engines don't work here. They assume DAGs, but real systems aren't acyclic. So I built a custom pipeline and layout library, and that certainly did not take a week. The Mermaid parser feeds into a custom layout pipeline, classifying each node by architectural role, assigning roles to grid columns, running a cross minimization pass, and routing long-distance edges through invisible dummy nodes. On the AI side, a companion tool gives the agent a layout and styling cheat sheet before it even generates the Mermaid, so the graph structure is better from the start. The result? Diagrams that reflect how engineers actually think about systems. Left-to-right flow, clear boundaries, and minimal crossings. All right, let's do a demo. I'm going to walk through cloning a new code base, having Claude explore it, and document the high-level architecture, visualizing that in FigJam using MCP, and then building on top of our generated diagram to turn that FigJam into a reviewable tech spec. Here's a repo I haven't checked out before. It's an open source project that implements an e-commerce platform. First, I'll have Claude clone the repo and generate a markdown file with the relevant codebase information. Since Claude points out here that the notification service mentioned in the README is missing from the codebase, let's focus on implementing that as our example project. I'll generate a second diagram, this time including a new notification service and async flow. Now we have a visual model, services grouped by role, clear flow, readable structure. This is already something I can put in front of my team. And here is the second diagram that shows not only what is in the code base today, but what it will look like once we extend it to look like the README representation of the system. That includes the async flow with the notification service. Now I'm going to use the Use Figma MCP tool to add some structured content to our FigJam. For each service, we'll generate a sticky with what it does and key responsibilities. This is using some local skills to guide how the agent formats and places these. So now the diagram isn't just structure, it has additional context as well. Next, I'll ask the agent to generate a project plan. It creates a markdown file with milestones, tasks, sequencing, and now I'll push that to FigJam as well. What started as a repo I've never seen has become a shared artifact, a design proposal, and a plan my team can react to. If you're a visual learner like me, I'd love to hear what you think, and thank you so much for listening.